What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. I apologize, this video is going to be all over the place. You know, it's a few days after this video. All the videos in this video, you know, all the clips in this video were recorded. You know, I forgot to make the intro and all that when I got here. I didn't record in the airport because the flight got delayed for like 5 hours. We was stuck in the airport. I was pissed off. I did not want to, you know, I was trying to sleep. I was with my girl and stuff talking there, so you know I didn't record anything. So all the clips that you guys are gonna see here, the video is gonna be a little all over the place. I apologize for that, but I'm gonna try to explain my best. You know, put in the little descriptions and stuff, what we was doing, what day, and you know. Ganado de carne, dicen ellos.
Dejen su envidia.
Sí. ¿Eh? Amy se tiene que subir. See this one. Why you put your ears back? You don't like me already? Hmm? See the other ones. The little one over here. Oh, there's two little ones here. Hey, what you gonna bite me? Trying to bite me already? Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't bite me. Got a white one. Enséñale, Titi, cómo se hace. ¿Tienes miedo? Dile. Súbanse. Mira, ya Titi está arriba. Mira, súbete en este, mira.
Son malcitos.
Ven, Manuela.
Te va a agarrar.
No, yo no sé por dónde la vuelta, yo sé.
Míralo ahí. Pues tú vas a grabar su video.
¿Eh?
Pero ven para grabarte yo. ¿Va a grabar su video tú?
Claro.
Y ahora le grabo, ¿cómo se?
Otro correa ahí.
¡Mira! Él ya graba la otra.
Llévala tú ahí. Tú le dejas la soga nada más. Ella va caminando. llegó Mancita, mami.
Ya lo he montado en caballo y mira esta, eso está. Cogiste miedo tú, güey. Pero ellos son mansos. ¿Te gustó fue ese caballo? ¿Eh? Sí. A el otro le gustó negrita.
¿Cómo se llama? Eso se llama sufrido.
¿Eh? ¿Cuál?
Caballo.
¿Cuál?
Eso.
Tu caballo no se llama así. Se llama...
Está grabando, está bien.
Claro, dichoso es el que se llama.
¿Y eso cómo se llama?
Es que yo no trabajo con el dueño de esto. Yo trabajo con el dueño de esos caballos. Súbete el paso fino tú.
Let's go. Leaving him behind now. Titi, muévelo, dale. She's scared of it. Y yo cada rato. Que a mí me gustaba domarlo antes.
Yo voy de cabeza, muchachos.
¿Qué? ¿Cómo es? Grabo mal.
Debe explotar. Esto también se debe explotar, mira. Y este también, este que se debe explotar.
Depo on the beat.
Vamos. Su compra todo de mentira.
Pero cuando fui que traían hoy.
Tirando los mares para que venga Bogotá. Tirando los mares para que venga Bogotá.
Damn, my boy Mac there, his foot is stuck in the motorcycle. I don't know, but shit, bro. Yo, you gotta love Dior. It's so hot here that people, when it's raining, they don't give a shit. Look at them. They're just chilling there, taking a shower. They're not gonna take a shower later tonight. Yo, you need some soap? And they stop doing it. Keep doing it. Guys, look at this, guys. This guy had one job. Oh shit. This guy had one job. How you gonna get the car? In the driveway. In the garage. How? One job. And I feel bad for the people with low cars here, because look at this. One. My car would have been gone already. Bye-bye lip again. Look at this. And the speed bumps here, worst. Look at that, wait, oi, oi, oi. And do not trust this. When you guys see a big puddle like that, it's a big hole. You don't even go in there. But this thing is 5x5, so I don't care.
Por eso el que me traiciona con todo el balón del mundo, yo no más sabe que después de mí, 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 que eran ustedes.
And the speed bumps here, look at that. It's not like in New York. These you gotta go over them 2 miles per hour. Because if not, bye-bye. Guys, in New York they have little guns, but here, oh, I can't zoom in more. I know you guys can see it. Look at them. Not no little tasers and none of that.